Welcome back, Motorheads. This is Wtf Driver Fails edition. First, we're going to check in with little Johnny while he learns his very first valuable life lesson. Do not show off with Daddy's car.
No, 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 no.
Boy, I love to hear that conversation when he calls his dad and says, "Hey, Dad, I was showing off in front of crab-infested Sally and something happened to your car. It spontaneously hit a pole."
I'm dead. I'm dead. No, my life's over, son. My life's over.
Well, let's see here. We got three of the ones that should have ran face first into the rubber helmet. They're all in the car together. I wonder what could go wrong.
Oh my God, bro. I'm getting arrested.
Well, that was a good plan there, genius. Lock up the brakes and spin out in front of the cop when you're doing something stupid. If we needed any more proof stupidity was a venereal disease, here it is, folks.
I'm getting arrested, bro. That's crazy. This car's not registered either. Oh, God. Okay, that's it. It's the end of everything, bro.
Oh, God.
My time here is over.
Oh, no.
My time here is over. I have no
Are you
rights.
gonna ask?
No, you don't have to say anything. I already know.
Driver's license, man?
Yes, sir.
This has got to be the coolest dude on the damn planet. I'm talking the guy that's running around with ice water in his veins, ladies and gentlemen, to the fact that he turned the radio up after a rollover. Let's check in a day in the life with Flip Flop Patty and her unsupervised adventures. I mean, how in the hell do you not notice your vehicle is keeping pace with you there for at least a couple seconds? Well, bye-bye. The fact that she runs back out here and you hear them flip-flops in the porch. Kick them damn flip-flops off and run a little faster, Patty. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I think Patty just wanted a new car, personally. Well, let's take a ride with old underwear Jerry here as he's bolting toward the intersection. I know he's got a green light, but this is the importance of why you always slow down and scan when you can't see what's coming from the left.
Well, isn't that dandy?
Well, let's check in with Tommy No Mirrors here as he cuts off the other pickup and sends it out on the shoulder. Oh man, that just infuriated old Tommy No Mirrors. He just says, "No, no, 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 sir. I am going to chase you down." Now he's on a mission to make that driver pay. I mean, how dare that other driver be in that damn lane when Tommy didn't check his mirrors? But look here, folks. This is what karma has in store for Tommy. Bye-bye there, No Mirror Tommy.
Baby, one more time!
Sure, no problem. Here, take that. I bet you're going to be careful what you ask for next time, huh, Brittany? Let's see what Mary and Larry's up to.
Yeah! Back up! Ah! You're hanging off the edge. You gotta back up.
I can't take my foot off the gas, what I do.
Give it gas.
At the same time that I want the brake,
Yeah, then as you're giving it gas, let off the brake.
I'm so scared.
Why'd you keep going?
I didn't mean to. I can't see anything. I don't know what to do. I'm so scared right now.
I don't have a jack. You gotta back up.
Isn't it going to go forward before it goes back?
Not if you're giving it gas while it's in reverse. Then let off the brake.
What happens if when I let off the brake and I'm giving it gas backwards, I go back too fast? Will anything happen?
You're gonna go off the ramp.
And that's fine.
I bet it's a good time at Mary and Larry's house. What do you guys think?
Fresh on that motor swap, baby.
Well, somebody forgot to do part of their job, putting all the lug nuts
Keep
back
running
on.
that
Y'all
pace.
just hold on that pace right there as you back it back up using that floor jack. You might make it back to the garage sometime next month to start over. Let's check in with Wreck-It Ralph, and he shows us why you don't stand around a Mustang when you leave a car meet. Perfect form there, Wreck-It Ralph. Well, if there's a camera out and there's a Mustang, there's damn sure always going to be some little snafu, and that right there got very expensive quickly. Let's see what Joey Roast Beef's up to today.
But then I hit the wall. Crash, boom, bang.
PSA, boys, if your girlfriend is this stupid, please don't let her flag the street race. But I will have to admit, the more times you watch it, it gets funnier. It really does. And it really proved it hurts to be stupid. Well, boys and girls, that's all I got for you today. If you liked today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Leave me some feedback if you want to see some more videos like that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.